So I'm Shyam Prasad. I'm a member of ACCA and CAMA. I have been teaching ACCA and CAMA since 2014 and I am the founder of wowacademics.com.
So in this video, we'll be discussing about the strategic analysis external. So the contents of the video are: what is the external environment, why is it so important. We will discuss about models like PESTEL, Porter's 5-force model, Porter's diamond, and scenario planning. It consists of factors which the company can either control partially or cannot control at all. Hence, the company has to change itself according to the external environment. This requires the management to understand the various external environment factors affecting it and be prepared for it. So what are the factors which affect the company? The factors which affect the company are the government, citizens of a country, NGOs, activists, media, and regulators. So the company has to adapt to what happens in the external environment and has to change its policies, its strategies according to the external environment, because it cannot partially or fully, it cannot control those factors. Hence, it has to be prepared. So why is it so important? External environment factors are very complex in nature. So there are like several factors which are influencing a company, and the company has to adjust according to those factors. For example, we will take a car manufacturing company. So you sit and write a list of external factors which affect a car manufacturing company. So take some time, pause this video. So we will now discuss what are the list of factors which affect a car manufacturing company. Factors like government tax rate, fuel price increase, rupee, raw material and the component price increase, power unavailability, competition from local and foreign companies, change in FDI rules, higher inflation, or increase in interest rate. So these are factors which are beyond the control of a company. External environment is also dynamic in nature. That is, they are not very static or stable. They keep changing. As there are like many factors which affect a business, these factors can also change rapidly or slowly, that we can never predict. For example, the changes in the Android OS. See, the Android OS have been like changing every once in a year, or sometimes even twice in a year. So the implication of this kind of Android change has an implication for the app developers, for the game developers, and also for the smartphone manufacturers. So the swifter the change in the environment has a higher impact on a company. The more the stable the business environment is, it's much more easier to conduct a business. For example, here we could see the change in the price and the market share of products. So fax machine, the bigger the circle indicates the price of the product, and the higher the circle it goes tells the number of products sold. So if you can look at the dynamism of the products. See, fax machine has fallen in price, but it has become obsolete by the year 2010. Standard cell phones prices have dropped, but still people are using up to 2010. Smartphone usage price has been constant, but people are using it much more fastly. So this diagram shows us how the various products like smartphones, fax machines, standard cell phones, cordless phones, and even corded phones, how they have moved over a period of 30-year period. So most of the products have become obsolete. So products like a corded phone, cordless phone, even fax machines have become obsolete. Standard cell phones and smartphones are the ones which are rising. So this shows the dynamism of the environment.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.